Hi, I'm Tim Kelley from Montgomery Investment Management, and welcome to this week's Video Insight. Today I want to talk to you about some of the things we've been seeing in the Australian equity markets in recent months. Since early May, the market has declined by about 8% as measured by the ASX 300 index, and more recently we've also seen a step up in volatility, with large daily movements up and down becoming the norm. Prior to these recent declines, we, as well as other value managers, were starting to complain that we were finding it hard to find good quality companies at attractive prices, and at Montgomery we'd increased our weighting to cash as a result. With share prices having moved around quite a bit lately, we've now been looking to see whether any good buying opportunities might have emerged. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to find as many as we would have liked. The big four banks have come back close to fair value, and in the Montgomery Fund we now have a small holding in one of them. But the value is still not compelling, and it's only a small holding. Beyond that, most of the companies we like still don't appear cheap to us, and if you look at the individual components of the ASX 300 index, you can see why that is. This chart shows some of the sub-indices that make up the ASX 300. The white line is the ASX 300, and the coloured lines are some of its components. What stands out is the red line, which represents the materials sub-index, which is down more than 20% in the last 6 months. And this is really what has driven the market lower. Other sectors, including consumer discretionary and financials, have held up relatively well, and the healthcare sub-index, which tracks a theme that we favour at the moment, really hasn't declined at all. That leaves us with just the resources sector as a source of new opportunities. But as many of you know, we have been wary of the resources sector for some time, and we're still wary of it. So while materials companies are getting cheaper, we're still not persuaded. The reporting season just around the corner may throw up some new opportunities, but for the moment, we're in no hurry. That's it for now. We'll be back with more next week.